What did I just do? What did I just do? Good morning, everyone. Hey, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a Sunday reset. I do like little fast-paced versions of these on TikTok, and you guys really seem to like that, so I thought it'd be fun to do a whole YouTube video for it. This is actually my first Sunday reset in my new apartment. I feel like whenever I move somewhere, I feel like this new, improved version of myself. I feel like the possibilities are endless. I want to start new routines and new habits and just be better in general. I don't know why moving into a new space always really inspires me, but I wanted to do that today. And normally my Sunday resets are just cleaning, but I wanted to take it a step further. I really want to elevate my Sunday resets, and I kind of want to treat them as like a self-care day as well. I want to do skincare, hair care, body care, clean the apartment, eat a good meal, do all the things. So I thought I'd take you guys with me on my Sunday reset. Today's video is actually sponsored by Osea. So thank you oh, I just hit my elbow on that. Thank you so much to Osea for sponsoring this video. I just went to the gym. Obviously, that's why I'm in gym clothes. Duh. Got a little workout in, and now I need to shower. I wanted to use some Osea products to really elevate my body care routine. So let's head over to my bathroom and let's do that. Like I said on Sundays, I want to start elevating my body care routine, and you guys have to try this. This is a gel to milk triple action body exfoliator, cleanser, and moisturizer. This is the Undaria cleansing body polish from Osea. Osea makes really good products. I'm really obsessed with everything that I've tried from them so far, and I really like this. I'm genuinely just obsessed with Osea as a company in general. They're clean, vegan, cruelty-free, seaweed-based skin and body care brand, and they're female-founded and family-operated. Genuinely just such a great company. I saw their products in Erewhon when I was in LA, and I was like, slay. I was like, I use that. They make high performance skincare for your body. This body polish combines physical and AHA exfoliation to promote cell renewal and smooth away rough, bumpy, and uneven skin. I also have a code for you guys to use. You guys can get 10% off with Keegan UCBP. You get 10% off with that for a limited time only. Whenever I use this, my skin just immediately feels glowy and supple and protected. It also feels firmer and smoother. Also, this stuff smells incredible. It smells like a spa. Every Osea product that I've tried has smelled like a spa, and it's just an experience every time I use it. I'm really obsessed with this, if you guys can't tell. This is going to be a permanent addition in my everything shower routine. I feel like we all have our everything shower. This is staying in my everything shower. You guys have to try this out. I'll have a link in the description for you. And if you do check it out, make sure to use my code Keegan UCBP. I'll also have that in the description, but that's for 10% off only for a limited time. But genuinely, I'm so obsessed with this. You can see a difference in my skin when I use it. I was considering doing a hair mask today. But I actually did a hair mask recently, and I don't want to do too many back to back, but I do think that after I shower, I'm gonna do a face mask. I just got out of the shower. I did my whole everything shower, and now I think that I want to apply a little face mask, just like a little hydrating one. This one says to use after cleansed skin. I washed my face in the shower. I also forgot to mention about the body polish. I feel like other body polishes and exfoliators that I've tried, sometimes they're almost painful to use, like they're too gritty. This one, not at all. And also, I feel like a lot of the times whenever I use body polishes or exfoliators, when I wash them away, my skin feels almost stripped. It feels dry. This one, not at all. When I wash it away, it almost feels as if I just put lotion on. My skin feels really moisturized. I've never tried a product like this before, and I'm kind of like, where has this been my whole life? We have our little face mask on. You can't really tell because it's clear. I'm gonna brush out my hair. I'm actually getting my hair done again. I'm not doing too much to it. I just kind of want my roots to be a little bit darker, so I'm gonna go back in a couple days and get it touched up. I'm so picky when it comes to my hair. I'm honestly picky when it comes to any product, like my skincare, my body care, everything. Now we are finally done getting ready. It is time to start cleaning. Let's do it. I always like to start with laundry first because it takes the longest, so it's just nice to have it going as I clean everything else. This is actually the first time that I'm using my washer and dryer, so let's hope it goes well. I mean, I don't know why it wouldn't go well, but I've never used it. I am so sorry for the sound of the washing machine in the background of this. I know myself, and I know it's going to drive me insane while editing this. That's fine, it's fine. But I know all I've done is start my laundry, but I'm getting a little hungry right now, so I thought that it'd be better to eat something now before I do my dishes. So I decided that I wanted to make a little smoothie. I used to be a smoothie hater. I never understood smoothies. They never filled me up. I never understood why people were so obsessed with smoothies until maybe this past month. So I'm gonna do a mango and strawberry smoothie. I have some mango chunks. These are all frozen. doing, maybe that much. And then I also have some frozen strawberries. I need to get some scissors to open this. I have no idea where my scissors are. Let me get my bathroom scissors. Found them. That's the hard part about moving. You never know where anything is. That's probably enough. And then I'm gonna add some almond milk. I don't know if that's too much, if that's not enough. I don't know. I'm new to this smoothie game. Ready, set, blend. Taste test time. So good. I'm gonna drink this for a little bit and then we'll get back to cleaning. I really haven't done much today. So next up, I'm gonna do the dishes. I'm gonna run everything in the dishwasher. I've never ran this dishwasher before. I have all these lovely dishes in the sink, so let's start loading them into the dishwasher. Also, I don't have a trash can yet, so this is what we're going with now. I want to run my dishwasher and I'm going to run it, but I want to put my water bottle in there and I cannot get the lid off of this thing. Oh, I was doing that for like 10 minutes off camera. I don't know if I just screwed it on like way too tight or because my hands are slippery, but I've never had so much trouble getting the water bottle open. So I'm gonna load this in the dishwasher and then we'll run it. Lots of water running at the same time right now. Is it gonna run? Wait, is that how you do it? How do I do this, right? Do I just hit start? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. Yep. Next up on our things to do, I want to change the sheets on my bed. My bed is currently not made, so we're gonna change the sheets, make my bed, make it all pretty. I think this might be the first time that I've made my bed with like all my throw pillows and stuff in this new apartment because I just unpacked my throw pillows yesterday. So happy my room is nice and clean now. My smoothie theory still stands. It did not fill me up. I'm starving and I really don't have that much food and I could go grocery shopping today, but I think I might do it tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna go get something to eat. There's nothing like takeout on a Sunday. Whenever I do get takeout on a Sunday, I like to get something with like multiple servings of it so I can eat it for leftovers. That's my meal prep. But before we do that, my laundry is done. So I'm gonna take my colors out of the wash, put them in the dryer, put my lights in the wash, switch it all out. What did I just do? It just started like a bunch of water just came out after I hit it by accident. I don't know what I just did there. Oops. I changed my outfit. I think this is more appropriate for cleaning. The other one, I felt like when I leaned over, it was like slightly inappropriate. So this is a more cleaning appropriate outfit. I decided to get In-N-Out. It sounded really good. Like a cheeseburger and fries sounded delicious. Kind of considering getting a milkshake because it's really hot. It's 111 right now. Very, very hot, but we're in the drive-thru. There's always plenty of people in this drive-thru, but I cannot wait to eat it. We're also listening Speak Now, Taylor's version, the Vol track. Heck yeah. You know I love them. This looks delicious. I got an animal style burger with animal style fries. Just really in a munching mood. Believe it or not, I changed again. I sweat through my last shirt because it was so hot in my car. I've been doing some work stuff on my computer for the past couple hours. I think the only thing that I really need to do to finish cleaning my apartment is to unload my dishwasher and then hang up my clothes. However, I just feel so burned out. This whole past week, I've been so go. I guess my under eye bags aren't that bad. I'm struggling keeping my eyes open right now. So I think that I just need to relax. I think that when I get my second wind of energy before I go to bed, because I always end up doing this, I'm always like super tired during the day and then right before I fall asleep I'm like, oh, I have so much energy. I think that's when I'll unload my dishwasher and put my clothes away. But Sundays should be productive. I'm a big fan of productive Sundays, but they should also be relaxing, because if you are go on a Sunday, Monday's gonna suck because you're gonna feel burned out. I'm a really big believer that Sundays can be productive but also a day to recharge and rest, which is why I like to normally get like my cleaning and everything like that done in the morning. Later part of Sundays when I relax and just kind of like kick my feet up and watch TV, scroll on my phone. I think I was saying this earlier, but being in a new place is always really inspiring for me, of wanting to change in a positive way, wanting to be better. So I really want to kind of implement more of self-care into my Sunday reset routine, and I think that a big part of care is just like relaxing. So I've just been laying in bed. See, I am so tired. That is my update for right now. But I think the rest of my apartment's clean. Like, I'm not mad about it. I just turned my camera off and then I was like, wait, what did I just say? Obviously I'm not mad. My apartment is clean. I just cleaned it. It was pretty clean though to start off with, because I did just move in here. I haven't even lived in this apartment for a full week yet. I really didn't have to do a ton of cleaning because like, what was there to clean? I didn't need to like mop the floors or really deep clean anything because it's barely been lived in. But I did also edit and upload the little TikToks of my Sunday reset. So if you guys are curious, they're like kind of like more fast-paced style like this. Like, this is literally me earlier today. And that's always what I post on Sunday. I really enjoy making these Sunday resets. So I hope you guys like the vlog style of it. Let me know if you do or don't. I just like them a lot. They're so satisfying to me. I don't know if they're also satisfying to you guys as well. I'm actually so happy because this was my first time using my dishwasher and it actually cleaned my dishes. And you're probably like, yeah, aren't dishwashers supposed to clean your dishes? Like, duh. My last apartment, I loved my last apartment so much, but the dishwasher didn't really do anything. If I put a plate in the dishwasher that had a speck of food on it, the speck of food would still be on it when I unload the dishwasher. It kind of just like rinsed the dishes. It didn't really clean them at all. And I mean, I still do rinse and like scrub my dishes before I put them in there, but I had a plate that had like a little bit of food on it and there's no food on it. Like, I feel like this dishwasher actually works. So I'm so happy about that. I am so tired though. I can barely keep my eyes open. Like, every single time I do anything, I'm like, so tired. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here, but I hope that you guys liked this one. I'm still trying to get used to this new apartment, trying to find like the best angles and lighting and everything like that for filming. So bear with me as we figure out the best, like I said, angles and lighting and everything for filming. I still have some more unpacking and everything like that to do, but that's a thing for another day. But I love you guys. Make sure to check out Osea. I'll have the link down below. And if you guys do check out Osea, use my code. I'll have that down below as well. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.